See, it's a very timely and opportune event and a very important event being organized by the CII. And we all industry associations and stakeholders are part of it. And it's, I would say, a very commendable step on behalf of CII. Uh, it is a high time. It is the right time for the electronics industry is looking forward, and we are all geared up to replicate our IT success story into the electronics manufacturing and exports. And deliberations like these forums certainly brings together the brainstorming and how to come forward, how to scale up, what is happening, and what all needs to be done. Comes out from these events. So I would say, it's a very welcome and very opportune time to have such kind of events with the industry.
What are the challenges the industry is facing in making India self-sufficient in terms of semiconductors?
As I said, electronics is, we call it as electronics hardware. It's always hard. But of the years, it is coming out well. And thanks to the, very active and very prompt, timely support from the Government of India, I think after a history of long years, for the first time we have seen one after the another, support, incentive programs or the announcements by the government, which is very timely and very effective, which has turned the heads towards the manufacturing in Indian electronics industry. And a lot more investors and entrepreneurs are coming forward to replicate our story in electronic manufacturing. They are very, mindset and very hopeful of, succeeding, opening new partnerships, joint ventures, and coming up, making India self-reliant in the electronics manufacturing in the years to come.
So there was also discussion of the FTAs by the Joint Secretary.
Yes, FTAs is another very important steps which are being relooked by the government and reviewed, regularly. We are adding up new partners in the FTAs, and thanks to the very active, attention to the government on these FTAs. And we are finding out our new partners in new and emerging markets, which is really opportune and timely for our industry, and quite a great support. We are entering into a sort of a mutual recognition agreements with them so that they honor our certification schemes, and which was the need of the industry for a long time. I think it's very important to enter into FTAs and finding out various ways and means of market penetration and opening up the markets for our Indian industry globally.
Okay, sir, you are from Electronics and Computer Software Export Promotion Council. How is it doing, and what are the major, development in your vertical?
Electronics and Computer Software Export Promotion Council is one of the sectoral council which was set up by Government of India, and under the foreign trade policy we have the mandate to promote and support all the electronics, IT and IT services exporters from the country, and we are the registering authority for all these sectors, and we provide a lot of policies of the Government of India, including the incentivization scheme which is provided by the government to assist and promote our industry, like organizing global trade fairs, exhibition, buyer meets, and other certifications and market access programs. So we are doing that for the last 3 decades, and we have seen a lot of success stories coming out, non-exporters turning out to be exporters, and a lot of support, particularly for the, I would say, to the small businesses. So it's a great support, and we are just proud to be a part of this success journey so far, and we continue to do that.
Can you name any recent developments from your promotion council?
Recently, we organized, in the US markets, and we keep on doing that in a couple of other markets also. The recent developments, as you see, we have recently signed an FTA with the UK, and we are now continuing with a different sensitization program amongst the industry. So, what is the good part is that it is not that just, you signed it. Now, the government is so proactive that we are reaching out to the last miles, telling our stakeholders, what has been done and how they can rightly make use of these opportunities which have been created as a result of FTAs. So a lot more things are happening. I would urge our industry members to stay with us and to know more about, what all good things are being done by the government, by the council, and how they can open up new markets globally and how we can assist them in global market outreach programs worldwide.